Hello student, good afternoon all of you. I am Dr. S.K. Tiwari, Professor and Head Department of Mathematics, Dr. C.V. Raman University, Kota, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. Today I will discuss set theory. This is an important lecture for PhD scholar and MPhil scholar. Those students who are studying in 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th for further. Now I will discuss the following contents: introduction of sets, notation of sets, method of sets, types of sets. Introduction of sets. Set is one of the most important tools used in the study of all branches of mathematics. The study of sets and their use in the foundation of mathematics was begun before the turn of the century. Cantor, Russell, Frege and others. Actually, the theory of set developed by German mathematician George Cantor in 1895 and gave the idea and defined term set. A well-defined collection of objects is called set. There are three words in this definition: well-defined, collection, and object. What is the well-defined? Well-defined means the element or object of a real set should be clear or definite or distinct. Collection. What is a collection? Collection is an aggregate of object. Now a question arises here. What is an aggregate? Aggregate is a class of things. What is a class? One may define a class as a collection. And what is object? Each object are called element or member is called object of the set. For some examples of the set, the collection of vowels in English alphabet, the collection of rivers of India, the collection of all natural number, the collection of all states in India, in a union, the collection of cricketers in the world who were out of for 99 runs in a test match is a set. All these examples are set, but the collection of good cricket players of India is not a set because good player is not well defined. The collection of all teacher in your institute is a set, but collection of good teachers in institute is not set because good teacher is not well defined. Notation of sets. The sets are presented by the capital letters of alphabet A, capital B, C, capital X, Y, Z, and the elements of a set are presented by small letters of alphabet, small a, small b, small c, small x, y, z. There are two methods of sets: tabular method and set builder method. Tabular method, also called listing or roster method, and set builder method is also called rule or property method. Now, tabular method. In this method, we describe a set by listing all elements in curly brackets, and elements are separated by commas between two elements. For example, the set of vowels in English alphabet is equal to A, E, I, O, U. The set of natural numbers may be written as n is equal to A 1, 2, 3 Now set builder method. In this method, we describe a set by defining some common property which characterize all the elements of the set. Suppose that Px is a common property of all elements of a set A, then it is written as A is equal to x such that Px. For example, the set of vowels in English alphabet is equal to x such that x belong and x is a natural number. Types of set. There are many types of sets: singleton set, null set, finite set, infinite set, equal set, subset, proper set, improper set, universal set of set, power set, union set, and intersection of set. Singleton set. What is a singleton set? A set having only one element is called singleton set. For example, A is equal to 0. 0 is also singleton set. Null set. A set is said to be empty or null set if it has no element. It is denoted by phi. For example, A is equal to x such that x square is equal to 4. X is an odd number. This is a null set. Finite set. A set which has a limited or finite number of elements is called a finite set. For example, A is equal to A, E, I, O, U. This is a finite set. Infinite set. A set which is not limited or not finite is called infinite set. For example, A is equal to x such that x is an even number. This is infinite set. Equal set. Two sets A and B are called equal if every element of A is also an element of B and every element of B is an element of A. That is, both of A sets have same elements. B written as A is equal to B. For example, if A is equal to 2, 3 and B is equal to x such that x square minus of x plus b, then A is equal to B. Symbolically, we can retain as x belong A implies that x belong B and x belong B implies that x belong B, then A is equal to B. Subset. Let A and B any two sets such that every element of A is an element of set B. Then A is called a subset of B. It is denoted by a subset of B. Proper subset. Let A and B be any two sets such that every element of A is an element of B, but there should be at least one element in B which does not belong to A. Then the set A is called proper set of B. It is denoted by a proper subset of B. For example, let A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Then the subset of A are 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Hence, P is equal to 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. These are example of our set. Disjoint set. The two sets are said to be disjoint if every and they have no element common. Complement of a set. Let A is a set and U is an universal set of A such that the set of elements of U do not belong to A. Then it is called complementary set of A and denoted by A dash. Symbolically, it can be written as A dash is equal to X such that X belongs U and X does not belong to A. Union of set. Let A and B be any two sets which such that the set of all those elements which are in A or in B are both in A and B. Then it is called union of set A and B and denoted by A union B. Similarly, we can written as A union B is equal to X such that X belong A and R X belong B. For example, if A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7 and B is equal to 4, 6, 8, 10, then A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. Intersection of set. Let A and B be any two sets such that the set of all those elements which are common in both sets, then it is called intersection of a set and B and represented by A intersection B. Symbolically, we can written as A intersection B is equal to X such that X belong A and X belong B. For example, if A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, then A intersection B is equal to 1, 3, 5. Now we have concluded this lecture we have studied basic concept of sets and definition of set, how can represent the set, how many types of set with example studied here. Thanks you.